good decision-making relies on accessing and using high-quality data and information. Data underpins policies and actions. However, information is not always accessible for decision-makers. In 2015, 9 partners from 7 European regions facing similar challenges started their cooperation to address the disconnection between data and decision-making, with a focus on nature conservation. The Interreg Europe project, From Biodiversity Data to Decisions, Enhancing Natural Value Through Improved Regional Development Policies, or BID-REX, allowed them to share good solutions and innovative ideas among the participating regions. Then, partners and local stakeholders imported the most useful solutions and ideas to their own regional context, with the aim of having better regional policies for people and for nature. The Interreg BID-REX project has led to positive results across all the project regions. Let's show some of them. In Slovenia, sharing experiences with Wallonia and the Basque Country has helped with the development of a new action plan for Ljubljana Marsh Nature Park. In that development process, the National Institute of Biology has identified existing generators of nature information and has brought them closer to possible data users, as for example, regional administrations. In Catalonia, partners are working on the creation of the Natural Heritage Observatory, inspired in NORFOLK's good practices. The observatory will facilitate access to nature information for actions development and prioritization, in coherence with the Catalan strategy of Biodiversity 2030. This information provision is carried out thanks to new data providing agreements between the Government of Catalonia and research centers or citizen science projects inspired by the Basque Country. In the Basque Country, the government works in collaboration with a large social base of volunteers in nature conservation. Experiences of volunteer training and accreditation in NORFOLK helped the Basque government appreciate its importance, and now training itineraries have been integrated in the design of monitoring programs. In addition, the Basque government created a long-term local stakeholder group, the Biodiversity Forum, which gives them the opportunity to reinforce nature governance by and for citizens. The Marsh region gained knowledge on providing effective access to nature information for local administrations. The inspiration came from innovative ideas from Catalonia, Wallonia, or the North Great Plain region, resulting in new synergies between the regional administration and the local authorities for the implementation of the Marsh Regional Ecological Network in the municipalities and natural parks. At the same time, the Marsh region inspired the North Great Plain region to better use nature information to integrate green infrastructures in urban development of cities and villages. For partners in NORFOLK, BID-REX has been of benefit in responding to a changing policy landscape in the UK following the decision to leave the EU. All policy changes are requiring regional responses. Sharing knowledge through BID-REX has provided Norfolk County Council with a range of skills and approaches for ensuring that the information that guides these changes can be better gathered, managed, and presented. In December 2019, Norfolk County Council adopted a new environmental policy, inspired by a Catalan idea. In Wallonia, the Public Service of Wallonia and its partners formalized the collaboration on data exchanges, inspired by how the Basque government had partnered with the suppliers of nature information in their region. This began with Natagora, the main association for nature conservation in Wallonia. But this agreement is a basis for others and entails a more rigorous and organized framework for data sharing while respecting partners' activity. But the most valuable result of this project is the network of interregional collaborators that partners and stakeholders have been able to create, and which is the basis for further successful collaborations.